Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, we are going to start in just maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be just waiting for you for some time, and then we'll start with the today's topic. Hi Nayan, how are you, ma'am? Thank you so much for joining, guys. If I'm audible, just let me know. Then I'll start with the today's topic. Uh, Nayan is saying good, sir, after a long time. No, actually, I was also available in the last week. There I discussed about the data guard environment, and today just when I was discussing with one of my colleague, and then I realized about this topic, which is really important, like whether this programming language is important when you want to start your career as a Hadoop developer. So I just thought to create a video based upon this because there are many people in my YouTube channel. They are also joining as because they want to start their career as a Hadoop developer. And I just thought, okay, this is a very interesting and a very important topic before you start working on Hadoop technology. So because of that only, I'm here to tell you about all the steps related to this programming language. Okay, so we are just holding on for some time, and then we'll start with the today's topic. Yeah, nowadays I also started discussing about the vacancies which are coming for the Oracle as well as for Hadoop technology. So if you just subscribe to my channel, there I will also post the things related to the Oracle related vacancies. Okay, so it is not only related to the only Oracle fresher DBA, but also I'll cover with the number of vacancy which is coming all throughout the world. Okay, especially for the experience as well as fresher DBA. My main intention for the fresher DBA, because they want to start their career as a Oracle DBA and they are not getting much opportunities because they are a fresher. So this fresher tag they want to remove it somehow, and because of that only I'm trying hard to wherever I'm getting the things about vacancy related to the Oracle DBA, so that I can share it with the help of my YouTube channel. So if anyone is looking for the job, okay, please ask them to subscribe my channel, so that whenever I'll keep the things related to the job vacancies of Oracle DB or any other technology, especially on Oracle DB as well as Spark and Hadoop, then I will let you know about this vacancy. Okay. And one more request, guys. This I will also share the email ID of the person to whom you need to contact. Okay. So that person is a real contact for you, and you can directly approach him about the vacancies. Okay. So please don't ask me more details about that, because I'm not the right person to tell you more about those details. Okay, whatever the information I'm getting it from the other sources, I'm just posting it. So make sure you directly get connected with those people, and there is a high chances that one or other day you'll get placed and you'll have a good opportunity. So okay, so can we start? And Mila Naveen is saying, when will you can upload 12C user management practical video? Most probably by this Sunday. Okay, what I'll do, I'll come online and I'll be discussing about Oracle 12c user management. The theoretical part I have already explained in my previous video, and I tried my best to give you the best knowledge about this Oracle 12c multi-tenant architecture. Yeah, one more thing which I left, that is related to the practical part. So by this Saturday or Sunday, whenever I'll get the free time, I'll definitely come there, and there I will just talk about this Oracle 12c user management. Nayan is saying that I just watched your video, it's very helpful to furnish my knowledge. Thank you so much, Nayan. I know Oracle SQL and PL SQL certified but did not get job. Please, any advice? SN is saying. See, getting a job, if you say that you have the certification, I always tell you one thing about the certification, guys. Certification is important, but along with the certification, if you don't have the knowledge, then the use of that certification is nothing. Okay, if you don't have certification but you have a good knowledge, then you can say yes, you are on the right place only. Okay, so what my recommendation for you is, go with the certification when you have a knowledge. Okay, just by using the dumps, if you are trying to clear the certification and looking for the job, then it is very difficult for you, because when as an interviewer he will see your CV, okay, he will see your CV and he will see that okay, you are a Oracle certified or SQL certified. So his expectation will be like, okay, if you are Oracle certified or SQL certified, you should have the knowledge about that particular technology, and his expectation will be really high. Now when he will start asking the question, and if you are not able to give the proper answer for this, then again it's a problem, right? So better you should have the good knowledge about it. Okay, so that is what I want to tell you guys. Okay, and apart from this, if you have any questions, then just let me know. Definitely I'll be helping you with that. uh, so I think those who want to start their career in the Oracle DB field, this is going to be really interesting for them. Okay, so today's topic, so I would recommend you to go with the today join with the today's session. Okay, and definitely I'll be covering about the more interesting part in the today's video. Apart from this, if you need any other things, just let me know, guys. Okay, so definitely I'll be creating more and more videos for all of you. Okay, then so give me a minute, I'm just waiting for few people. Once they join in, definitely we'll be start with the today's topic. Okay, so I'm just waiting for them. Okay, so Nine is saying that no lab environment to practice. Okay, so the thing is, guys, man, if you want to start your career as a Oracle DB and you are saying that you don't have any lab to start the practice, then that is wrong. Okay, all these Oracle software which are available, that is completely free of cost, and you can download it very easily from the Oracle official website. Now, if you want the server, then you can download that server from edelivery.oracle.com. Okay, which is Oracle website only. From there you can download this, and it is also completely free of cost. You just need one VMware setup. Okay, just install the VMware workstation or Oracle virtual machine, then install that then install your Oracle database Linux, Oracle Linux actually, and on the top of it you can install this Oracle database software, and you can start practicing yourself at your home only. Okay, no need to purchase. I don't feel like okay, you need to take the license or all those stuff. No, there is nothing like that. You just need to set up the environment at your home and you can start practicing yourself. Okay, so that's not a big problem. You can just set up your see, even though if you are not understanding like how to install this Oracle database on the top of Linux, that's fine. You can install this on the top of Windows also. Okay, so it's pretty much easy to install it on the top of Windows. Anyway, the SQL commands for Linux as well as for Oracle, as well as Linux as well as for Windows, both are the same. Let's say you are checking the database status, so you have the command like select name comma open underscore mode from $v database. Same command you can fire it on Windows as well as Linux, so that's not a problem. Okay, so we'll start with the today's topic, and today's topic is related to the programming language for the Hadoop. Okay, so nowadays I started creating the videos based upon the Hadoop technology also, and you know that in Hadoop there are different components are there, like you have Hive, Uzi, then we have Spark is there. Okay, then HDFS. then a lot of things, a lot of components, pig is there. Okay, a lot of components are the part of this Hadoop component. Okay, before I start, I would request all of you to just like this video. Okay, then I'll be really good to tell you about that. Now what I'm saying that when you have a lot of component in the Hadoop, okay, and you want to start your career as a Hadoop developer, now some of the people, there will be a lot of people, you know, they don't have the knowledge, they don't have the knowledge about the, they don't have the knowledge about the programming. Okay, so there are two types of project you will get it in the Hadoop technology. One, we called it as a batch processing. Second, we called it as a streaming processing. In batch processing, most of the time the people are using the technology like Hive, Scoop is there. Okay, then we have a HDFS to store the data. Now when I'm saying that Hive is basically a SQL kind of database only, where you can write down your SQL queries. Now SQL queries, if you are comfortable with the SQL queries, okay, HDFS is basically a Linux only, where you will just use the Linux command. Okay, and now if you get this batch processing project kind of, where you're using this Hive, Uzi, and your HDFS, okay, then you can survive. There is no problem with the Hadoop developer. Okay, as we called it as a data engineer actually, then you can survive. There is no issue. But let's say you are getting the project like streaming kind of data, okay, where you are getting the data from the Kafka, and Kafka is one framework where, you know, you are writing your code into the Java language. Okay, so if you are getting the opportunity to work with the streaming kind of data, where you need to deal with the Kafka, then you need to deal with the Spark. Again, the Spark also we need to write into the different languages are there. You can write it with the help of Java, you can write it with the help of Python, or you can write it with the help of Scala. Nowadays many requirement are coming in the market, especially the combination of your Spark with Scala, Spark with Java, or Spark with Python also. Okay, so at least one language you should know. Okay, if you want to start your career as a Hadoop developer. And nowadays, you know, the things are that people are not only looking for the person who is having the knowledge about the Hive or Uzi. Okay, Hive and Uzi days gone actually. Okay, nowadays people will start talking about, okay, people will start talking about the concept like Kafka. Okay, then they will ask you about the Spark. Okay, so and another thing which is on the top, that is a cloud platform. So it can be any cloud platform, it can be your GCP, it can be your AWS or anything. Okay, so that's what I'm saying over here, that if you have the knowledge about this one programming language, so it can be your Java or Python or Scala. Okay, apart from this one, we have one Spark is there. Okay, then and only then you can start your career as a Hadoop developer. If you're really good, let's say there are projects are there which are still working on the batch processing. Okay, which is just looking for Hive and Uzi. But you know, still the still this interview pattern nowadays are done in a such way that they are looking for the candidates who is having actually one language. Okay, who is having actually the knowledge about a one language. So better you start learning at least one language from today only. Okay, so you can start with at least Python, or you can say, I'm not saying that you should have the knowledge about all the three languages like Python, Scala, or Java. Okay, take the one language. Let's say nowadays I'm working with this Java. Okay, so initially I also faced a lot of issue where I was not much comfortable with the Java. Then I started working on it. Okay, how this Java work and all the stuffs. So fortunately we are learning this Java language from our college time only. So we already know the basic. Okay, only the thing is we should know few more concept which is related to the collection is there. Okay, some of the topics which are like commonly used when you are going for an interview. So it can be your collection, then we have interface, and then we have a streaming API. Okay, all those things which are, you know, are regularly used in the Java. So try to understand all those stuffs. Okay, when you want to, if you really want to start your career, if you just thinking that I know Hive, I know Scoop and Uzi and HTTPS, then also I can crack the interview. Now that is gone, man. Now it's not possible. Okay, so if you really want to start your career as a Hadoop developer, Spark developer, then at least you should know either Scala, Spark, Java, either any one of the technology. I'm sorry, either Java or Spark. I'm sorry, I'm making the mistake. I'm sorry here. Okay, so either you should know Scala is there, then we have Python or Java, any one of the technology along with the Spark. Okay, and apart from this, if you have the knowledge about the Kafka plus point, if you have the knowledge about the any big data, any AWS or GCP or Azure, really good, fantastic. So better you start working on this technology from today only. Okay, if you know, like now your question will be in your mind that how can I start this career. Okay, how can I start this career with this, how can I start this career with this, like how can I start this practicing this language. Okay, you can take the use of, you can learn it from the different sources, like YouTube is there, then you can search it on the Udemy. There on Udemy also there are free certifications, are free courses are there which are based upon the Scala, then we have Python is there, or Java is there. Apart from this, you can just spend 200 or 300 rupees just to purchase these things. Okay, and then again you can start your career. Next part which I want to tell you over here, about two website where you can start practicing yourself. That is again HackerRank and HackerRank. Okay, there are multiple questions are available on this website, guys. Okay, so just go there and start practicing yourself, and you can be a champ in this technology. Okay, apart from this, if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. And I think you got my point, right? So the basic intention of my video is that you should have at least knowledge about one programming knowledge. Okay, to start your career as a Hadoop developer. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss today about these things. Okay, I hope you got my point. So if you have any questions, then let me know. Otherwise, we can close it over here, and definitely I'll be coming again by this Saturday or Sunday. Okay. So I'll just wait for 1 minute, and then we can close it if you don't have any questions. Okay. And as requested, I'll be coming with some new interesting topic with by upcoming Saturday or Sunday when I'll get the free time. Thank you so much, guys, for coming over here and giving me your time. Okay, thank you. Bye bye for the day. See you again with the next video, and please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. And meanwhile, I'll definitely Hacker Earth. Vaibhav, I was talking about Hacker Earth. Okay. Vaibhav, I saw your message related to the Kafka. Okay. Definitely, I'll be creating the video based upon this. Okay. So very soon I'll be creating the video based upon the Kafka. I saw your request related to these things. Okay, so this channel, by this channel, I'll use this channel to share the vacancies also related to the different technologies. So please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. So Shubham is asking which language is easy to go with the Hadoop. Okay, so see, Spark we should know. Okay, Spark is just a framework, and along with this Spark you should know one language. Now which language is easy? All languages are almost same only. Okay, if you know one language, you can go ahead with any one language. Okay, so only the thing is, concept are always same with all the language. Only the implementation and some new features has been added with every language. Okay, so I think you can go with the Python. Python is good, quite easy also. Okay, so Python is good, and there are a lot of vacancies also coming with the Python. Okay, so Spark, Python, Spark, Scala, this, and again Java is there, but Java is really vast. Okay, there are a lot of stuffs are there where the people can focus on it. So I cannot point on it like which is very easy language. Okay, all are easy if you put the efforts, or all are difficult if you just take it lightly. Okay, only one intention that I want to tell you here, that at least one language you should know. Okay, one language is makes your life easy. Okay, also for Spark. So anything? Okay, no other questions from your side. So in future definitely I'll be creating more video on Hadoop also, and Nowadays I'm not getting much time because of this COVID. Okay, so I'm staying back at home, and there is a lot of works of office also, so I'm not getting much time, to concentrate on this YouTube channel. But whenever I'm recording the videos, creating the videos, very difficult task. Actually, it is very time consuming work. Coming online just to tell whatever it is coming in your mind, it is very easy. So because of that only, I nowadays I'm preferring this live. I know this is more useful when the people are live. Okay, when the people are not live, then again it's a difficult, then it's not too much user. So Shubham is asking, is data structure is needed for Hadoop? No, it's not compulsory. Okay, you don't need to use this data structure, but better you should know this SQL language. Okay, nowadays the people are also focusing on this ranking function, like a rank, dense rank, row number. Okay, all the stuff these people are giving. And nowadays what I observed, that they will give you some SQL kind of scenarios, okay, where they will give you some tables, and they will ask you to fetch some records from there based upon some certain condition. So in that case, it's always good that you should have the knowledge about this SQL. Okay, so better you start working on this SQL part also, along with this Hadoop technology. Meanwhile, I am going to create a lot of videos on this with the help of this YouTube platform. Okay, so be subscribed to this channel. Okay, and definitely you will see a lot of new things coming over here. Okay, this is what I just want to tell you guys, and I hope uh, you're liking it. Okay, apart from this, if you have anything, just let me know. Otherwise, and before I leave this session, please like this video. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the things, and if you have any special demand, then let me know. Definitely I'll be creating a video on that. Okay, sir, make video on Oracle forms and reports. Yes, Hemant, Oracle forms and report, I'm not much comfortable. Let me tell you frankly, I'm not much comfortable with this. My special area is Oracle Core DBA, data guard environment, and this Hadoop technology. Oracle forms and report is something out of my area, and one person cannot learn everything again. For me also, I need to take out the timing, and I need to learn these things. So Oracle forms and report, which is completely different from the Oracle Core DBA or Hadoop technology part, I am already learning so many things, and I don't want to, maybe in future I'll go there. Okay, but right now I don't take any false promise. Okay, so but now, yeah, if you are here for Oracle, SQL, AWS or cloud technology or Spark, definitely you will see a lot of videos. Already we have, we have completed this 5,000 subscriber, more than 5,000 subscriber now in our channel. And the best part is, almost most of the people are learning. I can see a lot of emails from different peoples, and I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch from next week. So if you are interested for this new batch, then let me know. My mobile number and email ID, you can get it in the description section of this video. Okay, so I'm going to start my new Oracle DB batch, which is completely real time, and I know you'll be really enjoying. So most of the people are done with my previous batch is almost getting finished. I have only 3 vacancies in my batch, so whoever is coming first, they will have a good discount, as well as um, early birds is always having a new offer, right? So anyway, guys, it was a nice time to talk to you. Thank you so much for joining, and let's connect with the next session. So Hemant, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, I'll discuss about you. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.